Pangaral. Oh, si Lovely. Sexy na kayo. Gwapo pa dyan.
Daw. Yun siya.
Man.
Si Andy Sad, gwapo na kayo.
Thank you.
Namas ka pa yun.
Thank you. Though it's the opposite.
Yun, tinawad eh.
Why? You never see it naman eh.
Feel ko lang.
And smile.
Okay, thank you, visit na ko.
Then, what else can you say?
Sana magkita ka next time.
And thank you for giving me quality time. I love you. I love you.
Hindi ako matulog kanina eh, kayo.
I love you. Thank you.
Hi, Dee. Hello.
Hello.
You know what? It's so good.
Thank you. I know that.
Dili kay ka, no? Di kay ka, Juan. Ha? Grabe, gwapo kay ka.
You've been telling me all this time na I look good.
Siyempre.
So I must believe in you, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Good.
So, naman. Thank you kapag lagi sa thank you kayo.
It's fun spending this moment with you. You've been a lot of things, discovering new things, doing new things.
Okay, next question.
Alright. What do you wanna ask?
Adili ay. Gusto ko sa ikaw, pinutan dyan ka ha.
Yeah, from and then never expected na things that had happened between us in this meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Had
Thank you.
happened. I'm with improved Lovely now. Pero sexy na kayo kahan. Kasi sexy na kayo.
Oh, sexy kayo tudlo.
Baka na kayo.
Ay, tinood yun na.
Matured na. At the same time, fashionista na sa debut girl na yun. Kapalo na ba mo reciprocate? Baka ba na mag-update? Baka na mag-tweet? Hawid-hawid na sa kuwang kamon. Mag-kiss na sa kuwang.
Hala, excuse me, dito ako. Isa ka naman dito ako.
Mag-pick up na sa kuwang Rocky Feet. Basta. I'm so glad for that.
And I hope to see you next time.
Yeah. Hopefully.
And expect more. More improvement.
Sure. As what you've told me, allow me to graduate. Allow me that mag-graduate and after that, it's okay, right? Di ba? After graduation, okay na? Okay na, di ba?
Okay na, magkapasya na ba?
Final statement. Yeah.
Thank you.
And that is the couple of the year, Mr. Anjali Kubo and me, Lovely Ko. Back to you, Karina.